step, it pulled me through. When the noise tried to break my sight, bass become my inner light. Not too fast, not too loud. Stand apart from restless crowd. In the groove I find my way. Grounded heart, steady day. Low end is the guide tonight. Heavy sound keep me upright. Every road passing by. No beginning, no end. Only now, again and again. One bass, one breath tonight. Carry calm into the light. Every sound, feel aligned. Body, soul, and mind. One bass, one breath remain. No more loss, no more gain. One heartbeat, one depth. Living true, living blessed. Bass roll slow. Echo dissolve into silence. Breath remains.
In the silence of the night, I feel the rhythm of the earth. Bassline moving through my soul reminds me of my worth. Heartbeat syncs with ancient drums. Wisdom carried in the sound. Every echo speaks the truth. Roots deep in sacred ground. Roots in the bass guiding my way. Heavy vibrations wash fear away. Mind stay calm, spirit stay free. Love, meditation, unity. Roots in the bass, slow and deep. Promises the soul can keep. Under one love, under one sky. Higher power lifting high. Smoke rise slow into the stars. Thoughts begin to fade. Ego drops the soul away. No games left to be played. Ancient voices in delay. Whisper lessons soft and clear. Living truth, walk in love. Nothing left to fear. Roots in the bass guiding my way. Heavy vibration wash fear away. Mind stay calm, spirit stay free. Love, meditation, unity. Roots in the bass, slow and deep. Promises the soul can keep. Under one love, under one sky. Our power lifting high. Deep dug delay sweat. Bass solo focus. Minimal drum. Echo trails wide. From Kingston streets to Mountain High. Same heartbeat, same reply. One vibration, one design. Jah light flowing through the mind. restore my roots. Calm rise the low and wave. Heavy bass teach me to stay. Let it move, let it guide. Peace arrive from deep inside. Calm rise the low and wave. Roots away, mind behave. One love tone, slow and wide. Dub and soul coincide. Too much talk, too much claim. Too much chase, same old game. But the rhythm never lies. Show me how to pass it by. No demand, no command, just the pulse I understand. When the bass speaks soft and sure, I know what I'm living for. Calm rise the low and wave. Heavy bass teach me to stay. Let it move, let it guide. Peace arrive from deep inside. Calm rise the low and wave. Roots awake, mind behave. One love tone, slow and wide. Dub and soul coincide. Bass slow motion. Delay tails drifting. Mimic my drums. Deep space. From the rush into the flow, everything I need I know. No more wait, no disguise. Truth appear when I arrive. Calm rise the low and deep. Carry peace I wanna keep. Every echo feel aligned. Quiet power in my mind. Calm rise the low and deep. Promises the heart can keep. One breath slow, one code. Irie life, irie road. Bass fade low. Echo dissolve. Calm remain. Feet on earth, head in sky. Bass remind me why I try. When the ground feel hot and cold, low and warm my spine and soul. Every step begin to land. When I trust the sound I stand. No more drift, no more doubt. This the truth, the dubs speak out. Grounded by the sound I know. Heavy bass moves soft and slow. Let it play, let it stay. Roots connect me where I lay. Grounded by the sound so deep. Promises the heart can keep. One love tone, steady ground. Peace is where I'm found. Oh. Time been fast, mind been tight. Days been long, nights been alright. No more grip, no more hold. Let the rhythm do the roll. When the bass begin to guide, I don't need to run nor hide. Right between the beats I find heavy bass calm down my mind. Let it slow, let it show. Peace grow where the low and flow. Right between the beats so clear. The vibration draw me near. One love tone, soft and deep. Stillness promise I can keep. Bass pull steady, delay tails floating. Minimal drums, open air. From the breath into the sound, every loss is gently found. No more search, no more seek. Truth arrive when I'm weak. Right between the beats tonight, carry calm into the light. Every echo hold me near. Nothing left to fear. Breath between the beats so slow. Peace live where the subtones go. One heartbeat, one design. Irie now, irie time, yeah, yeah. Irie time, yeah. Bass fades off, echo dissolve. Breath remains. Stillness hiding in the low, under everything I know. When the bass begin to breathe, all the tension start to leave. No command, no control, just surrender to the roll. Every note slow and clear, bring the distant moment near. Stillness in the low end sound, heavy bass keep me grounded. Let it move, let it flow. Peace live where the subtones go. Stillness in the low end sound, roots away, mind unwound. One love slow, soft and true. Everything return to you. Life been loud, words been fast. Too much future, too much past. Now the rhythm take the lead, giving more than what I need. No disguise, no defense, only sound and presence. In the echo I can stay long enough to feel okay. Stillness in the low end sound, heavy bass keep me grounded. Let it move, let it flow. Peace live where the subtones go. Stillness in the low end sound, roots awake, mind unwound. One love slow, soft and true. Everything return to you. Bass deep and round, delay trails floating. Minimal drums, white space from the breath into the bone. Every tone feel like home. No more push, no pretend. Let the moment never end. In the silence of the night, I feel the rhythm of the earth, bassline moving through my soul, reminds me of my worth. Heartbeat syncs with ancient drums, wisdom carried in the sound. Every echo speaks the truth, roots deep in sacred ground. Roots in the bass, guiding my way. Heavy vibrations wash fear away. Mind stay calm, spirit stay free. Dub meditation, unity. Roots in the bass, slow and deep. Promises the soul can keep. Under one love, under one sky. Irie power, lifting our high. Smoke rise slow into the stars. Thoughts begin to fade. Ego drops the soul away. No games left to be played. Ancient voices in delay whisper lessons soft and clear. Living true, walk in love. Nothing left to fear. Roots in the bass, guiding my way. Heavy vibrations wash fear away. Mind stay calm, spirit stay free. God meditation, unity. Roots in the bass, slow and deep. Promises the soul can keep. Under one love, under one sky. I recall lifting I high. Deep dub delay swell, bass solo focus, minimal drums, echo trails wide. From Kingston streets to mountain high, same heartbeat, same reply. One vibration, one design, Jah light flowing through the mind. Roots in the bass, steady and strong. Ancient truth in modern song. Peace within, no need to run. Journey deep, we all are one. Roots in the bass, night till day. Meditation, lead the way. Good energy, pure and vast. Living now, not stuck in past. Deep bass faith, love echoes dissolve. Silence returns. fire burning in the bass, not too loud, but it stays. Every pressure start to bend when the rhythm become friend. Step by step, no need to run. Life move better when it's slow down. In the echo I can hear simple truth become so clear. Slow fire in the bassline, keep my heart steady in time. No rush, no sign to chase. I recall in every place. Slow fire in the bassline, dub and soul align my spine. One love flow, clean and kind. Peace of mind, peace of mind. World keeps spinning, talking fast, trying hard to make me lost. But the drums say hold your ground. Real power come from sound, not in gold, not in fame. Joy lives simple, not the game. When the low end touch my chest, I remember I am blessed. Slow fire in the bassline, keep my heart steady in time. No rush, no sign to chase. I recall in every place. Slow fire in the bassline, dub and soul align my spine. One love flow, clean and kind. Peace of mind, peace of mind. Bass rolls deep, delay drifting wide, minimal drums, space breathing from the root up to the crown. Heavy sound, never drown. Quiet strength, steady flame. Different road, same aim. Slow fire in the bassline, meditation through the night. Every echo, ease the pain. Let go, feel, let remain. Slow fire in the bassline, living simple, living kind. One heart, one sign. Iris soul in perfect time. Bass low, echo, these are stillness glow. One bass moving through my chest, one breath telling me to rest. All the roads I used to run lead me back to where I'm from. No more asking who to be, sound already set me free. In the low I understand, life don't need a heavy hand. One bass, one breath, heavy sound ease the stress. Let it roll, let it stay, peace arrive and gently alone at first.